Like Vega, they have streamlined bodies that helps them to fly through the dense vegetation to escape from potential dangers or predators. Having said that, this is going to be a bit challenging for Vega, but let's all keep our fingers crossed, alright? Ready, Vega? And lift off! Vega has done it! Let's all give Vega a louder round of applause. And it's now time for Vega to head back home. Back to us. Now in a very short while, we will be having 2 more birds joining us on stage. Birds, they often gather fruits for their young, especially during nesting seasons. Okay, so these 2 birds will be having a little competition and they will need your support. Okay, so I'm going to split all of you into 2. So people from the middle, to my right, you will be supporting Toasty, our blue and yellow macaw. And the rest of you will be supporting Stanley, our green-winged macaw. So all you have to do is clap your hands and stomp your feet as loud as you can. Louder! Okay, all of you can stop. Save your energy for the actual match. So what I have with me is a hollow tree trunk, and what these 2 birds need to do is gather 4 fruits each. Okay, so supporters, get ready, birds are ready and go!